So today I'm going to make a turkey chili. It's very low calorie, low carb, super good for a weight loss meal. I'm just making one serving, but you can double or triple this and have multiple meals. Okay, so let's get going. Start by adding a little bit of oil to a nonstick pan. Then add in your ground chicken or your ground turkey, whichever you prefer. This is 4 ounces since I'm just making a one serving dish today, but you could always double this. Then add in 1 cup of chopped bell peppers and stir fry this all together. Now I'm adding in half a cup of chili tomatoes and a 1/4 cup of water, and I'll let that simmer together. I've made up my own chili spice, and the ingredients are in the description, but you could also feel free just to use a packaged chili spice as well. Then add in half a cup of beans. I've used a combination of lima beans and black soya beans. And you want to let all those ingredients simmer together, and if you'd like, you can add a little bit more tomato sauce. I'm adding in a spicy tomato sauce. Now just cover and let that simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. So all the calories and the macros for this recipe are listed in the description below. I also have a free giveaway on my website. It is a PDF that goes over very simple, easy to use macro weight loss plan. I use this for myself and for my clients. You will find it super easy. You don't even have to use an app to track your macros. So download that for free. And if you have any questions about that, just feel free to shoot me a message. All right, thanks for watching.